Alright, we have Yesha from event industry as well. Yesha, you have been a famous face in the community and so as in Canada. But you know, जब ऐसे business meetup पे आते हैं, IBM 2025, how this IBM 2025 is unique compared to other business meetup, and what was your experience?
I feel as in different, it was really, I came here by myself, so I had no one like, हमारे साथ आया जो मेरे साथ आया, no. I really felt people were very open, they were very welcoming. I met a lot of people from different industry, and it's helpful in a way because I found a client who is actually hosting their baby's sweet 16, and she's like, oh, I would love to have you as my host, you know. So you never know where the doors open. So yeah, it was really wonderful, unique in a way that you get to meet people from all the background, but also get to get your word, right? Because we are from the same industry, you would understand.
That's so nice. But you know, another question is, जब ऐसे event में जाते हैं, context तो gain करने जाते ही जाते हैं, but otherwise, how it is, you know, the idea behind this Indian business meetup, इंडिया से बाहर आकर भी हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हम ऐसा इकोसिस्टम बनाए जहाँ पे लोग एक दूसरे को रेफरल दे रहे हैं, गिविंग कल्चर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. What is your thought about it?
I loved the idea because that Indian mentality हम किसी को जानते हैं, you know, अपने को ना order किया जाए is very helpful in a way, because now even like knowing some people in some places, it's like, oh, हमारे काम से, so I know this one person. It's always been helpful. So this Indian business meetup idea is amazing, I would say, and it would always, like, this is just the start is what I can see. It has a lot to still, you know, get into it, and like lot to grow.
So we will see you in many more years to come as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming. It was so good to have you.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you so much.